Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia and I'm back with this really versatile unit from WoWEbony. This is their natural wave 360 lace front unit. There are 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, along with an adjustable elastic band. Now dolls, I put this wig on this mannequin just so you guys could get an idea of what this hairline looks like straight out the box. And as you can see, it does come pre-plucked, and since this is a 360 unit, you can also wear it up in a ponytail. Now you're going to get about 6 inches of parting space on this unit, so you can part it very far back, and there's also deep parting on the sides as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut the lace off, and since this is a 360, you will need to cut the lace all the way around. Now I'm just showing you guys what this looks like before I actually do any type of gluing or add any adhesive. And as you can see, it looks very natural. Now this is a glueless unit, so you can just wear it and go. Okay, now let's get into how this hair looks when straightened. Side, as you can see, this hair took to the flat iron very well and got very straight. Now I did go ahead and flat iron the remainder of the hair. So let me give you guys a close-up of what this hairline is looking like. I think it looks pretty natural. Now I'm going to turn around real quickly just so you guys can see what the back of the hair look like. I just wanted you guys to see what this looks like if you decide to wear it up in a ponytail. Okay dolls, so next on the faithful test, I gotta see how does this unit take to a curl. As you guys can see, this hair takes a curl very well. These curls are really popping, and this unit just looks so full, especially to be 150% density. Now dolls, I have to test to see if the waves are going to come back, and I'm happy to report that yes, the waves do come back, and these waves are really popping. All I did was I really just drenched the hair with some water, and it's giving me like this really nice beachy wave wet look. But overall guys, I'm really loving this unit. It's very versatile, and if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will be sure to have the links in the description box down below. You guys stay blessed, and if it be God's will, I'll see you on my next video. Take care now.